Good morning. We're making pizza. Today is Sunday Funday. And on Sunday Fundays we do dinner with friends and family. So I'm gonna start the pizza dough so it'll be ready by the time everybody decides to come over. So I'm going to use my frother and I'm going to mix my yeast and my olive oil. Very standard. Sorry. We're going to add this mixture of situations. I need to make sure it was together. I am going to stir this on medium, but we are going to add this now. Alright, so as far as the directions say, I should be able to take this dough out and add it to this bowl. I'll tell you guys what I have. So I already had pineapple chunks. I already had the tomato sauce. So I'm gonna get ready to start blending that stuff up together. So I'll put it back in the refrigerator for when it's ready. So I have pineapple, I have tomatoes, I have the pepperonis. I needed to get the mozzarella balls, so I ordered 2 pounds of mozzarella. I ordered 2 pizza dough because I use regular flour because that's what I have. But next time I'm gonna use the 00 pizza dough that they say use. I'm gonna prep the tomato sauce. So hopefully this stuff turns out right. This is our second attempt. Last time it didn't. Some of them cooked all the way through, some of them didn't. But I just feel like I didn't let the dough sit long enough, and I also didn't roll them the way I was supposed to. So this time I'm trying to do that. I'm done with this, so I'm gonna put this back in the corner. But the dough has already spilled over on one, and that's what led me to splitting it and putting it in 2. But now it's doubled again. So, and I have 13 more minutes on my timer. Granted, it says 3 or 4 hours, so I still need, after this 13 minutes is up, I still need to do another 30 minutes, and that's for sure 3 hours. And then I think the dough balls are supposed to be 270 grams. I think, I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna roll them all separately, so I'm gonna clean off the counter really well, so I can do it over here and not over here where it's a mess, because cleaning is exhausting. But I also have cornmeal. I don't know if I'm actually going to use it because no one else uses it in their videos, but it's because I don't want it to stick when we have to put the pizza in the oven. I also need to get the pizza oven out the garage and put it in the back porch so that we can heat it before everybody starts to come over, because it takes a long time to heat the oven, because I think it has to be really, 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 really hot when you put it on there. And hopefully it works out this time. I know they said that in order for the dough to stretch, it has to sit on the counter anyways, so it actually won't get any refrigerator time. It'll go from here to us making, and then yeah, hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. We'll figure out if this is gonna be like a pass or fail, or if this is gonna be like a good one. So hopefully I don't fail. Hopefully it works out right. But this is my dough. This is my pizza dough. So hopefully.
Everybody, hey, audience.
Y'all fucking stupid. That's all I needed to do is get y'all asses in the kitchen and y'all shut the fuck up. I love that. That's what I needed to do. Say less. I don't hate y'all. I like y'all a lot.
Couple times.
Well, what did you move around? Want to do it again?
How much fucking flour this shit got fly? Make a flour in it.
Hey, look, man. I will listen to whatever Rosie's saying. It seems like she paid attention to the movie.
No, my shit ripping, bro.
Need help?
Don't give me this bullshit ass dude. Oh, my shit cheap.
You act like my mom.
Vengeance, just punching up.
Y'all on camera.
What word did you just say?
Vengeance.
I thought I heard vengeance.
I thought I heard that shit too.
Got a hole in my dough. And there's a snake in my food. Shit's gonna break.
That's good. No, you have to pick that up. Put it under
Real.
Oh, that's him playing the
Honestly, I'm just gonna keep spinning my answer.
Yeah.
You know, it was like,
Mom, how did yours turn out?
ooh, no, he did.
Cat be making a mess.
Dang, that
Shit, bro. It's your fault, bro.
Not her. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Everyone loved pizza dough and the pizza sauce. This was actually the best one that was made. If you guys have not already, go like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.